Mm-hmm. Guys, that boy had his cannon event. Why did nobody save him?
You wanna play mini games? You wanna play mini games?
No! Stop! No, we're gonna have to escort you out. So you
Mini games, shut up!
Hey,
I just wanna play mini games! I just wanna play mini games!
he should.
I hope he gets caught by the legendary shark clamps. I hope he has his cannon event.
Let's go. Got any air tanks?
Hello. We don't sell helium.
Air tanks.
We don't sell air tanks.
What about oxygen?
We don't sell oxygen. It's literally everywhere.
You're no help.
Man, I got
I wonder if I can kill clamps and sell them for food.
Oh, we're gonna get him before you can. Let's call it a bet. All the cash we got in ours, we get yours. Okay?
Well, we're going to beat you. We're going to find the clamps first, and then we will get all the money.
You wanna play mini games? You wanna play mini games?
Get out of here! Get out of here!
Did you not get almost died in the pool the other day?
You know, I think we should go to the lifeguard area. The lifeguards aren't shooting anyways.
Oh.
Wanna play mini games? Wanna play mini games? Wanna play mini games? Wanna
No,
play
I
mini
don't wanna play.
games?
Get back.
Wanna play mini games?
Get away from us, kid. Let's race to the end of the slip and slide.
But I hate water.
Go!
This really sucks. Going a bit here.
Yeah, me too.
You know, we should go hurt ourselves over there.
Yeah, great idea.
We ah. It's clamps.
Come here! Ah!
Did the lifeguard have his cannon event?
Come on, we got to get out of here.
Oh, I mean, for a new sponsor, Rise of Kingdoms. No, because that's copyright. Anyways, 6 people, 6 beautiful people that died. One of my friend, his name was he was a lifeguard. He's right here. So that's him. Yeah, see that. She's beautiful, right? Anyways, then we got this then we got these 5 other people that like look disgusting. Like look at them. Anyways, we're gonna bring our first person up here, Mr. Grease.
Or
Mr. Grease.
It was a very tragic day. I just wish the families of the dead ones well and that they can recover from this tragic experience.
Yeah. Get off my stage, I'm trying to talk. Get off my stage. The beach will be closed till Clamps is killed. Okay? And we're not gonna bring anybody else over here because like, everybody else is gay, okay? Like, anyways, have a good day.
Yes, that means Clamps is real.
No, Clamps isn't real. You're all idiots.
Get out of here! Makaya news.
Is he gone? Is he gone? Oh man, I can't wait to turn on the TV and watch minigames.
Yo, dude, come on.
Oh my god, it's Canine!
Oh. What is that?